Me mahi tahi tātou mo te ora mo te whānau, working together for the well-being and health of families. In setting up here Wakatapu, we wanted a whakatauaki that supported our thinking. Our invitation to whānau is to think about the Waka bar building is the actual whānau. How do you do that together? Are you going to get there safely for your children to have a better life? Or are you going to get tossed around in the storms? Is your waka or your whānau going to fall apart because you haven't built with strong foundations? So if you're struggling with alcohol and drug or any abuse, we will work with you to help you to achieve your goals. If you have the same values, tikanga, uara that we have, which is how do we help our tamariki, our mokopuna, achieve the best out of life, then we will walk with you, challenge you, support you, work with you to help you achieve those goals. Alcohol and drug is destroying our whānaus, destroying your life, then let's work together to get a better outcome.